All right, we got the nice day out of the way, and now it gets busy for the rest of the week.
Yeah, basically, everybody wants to know the storm on Thanksgiving, which we will, of course, talk about. But I don't want to bury the lead that we've got a system coming in tomorrow morning.
Right.
So we'll try to knock them down in order. This storm for tomorrow is more well-behaved. It's a little bit more straightforward. It's a clipper system, and you can see it disorganized right now across the Great Lakes. It's going to come in basically just west to east tomorrow morning. Now, tonight is going to be dry and kind of chilly. Temperatures will drop down below freezing, even along the coastline by early tomorrow morning. Some of us will be in the upper 20s by early tomorrow morning. That'll matter because initially, when this first batch of precipitation comes in from our warm front, that's part of the clipper, there could be a little mixing with freezing drizzle and freezing rain, especially in far western Maine into northern New Hampshire here, where we could see a light coating. I don't think it's going to be a big problem, but the air mass is marginal. Very quickly after that, by the mid-morning, we're changed over to rain everywhere along the coast and inland, and even areas that saw mixed precipitation will eventually change over to rain there. It'll be just the mountains seeing snow tomorrow afternoon. The rest of us will see kind of chilly rain off and on throughout the day. And this is 5 o'clock tomorrow, so after sunset, unfortunately. And you can see it's still raining over the mid-coast and down East Maine. We get this system out of here by midnight at the latest tomorrow night. It's relatively quick moving. Probably talking under a ½ inch of rain, an inch or two of snow. So that's the easy one. Nice day on Wednesday, by the way, which is a big travel day. It'll be about 40 to 45 with a mixture of sun and clouds. So that's nice and quiet. I'm moving quickly for a reason because we have a lot to talk about for Thanksgiving. So for days here, the European model has been insistent that we have a major storm system coming in on Thanksgiving. A low tracking over or just southeast of Boston, giving a lot of the state snow or mixed precipitation and just the immediate coastline rain. The GFS has balked at this, and we talked at noon about how I had to pick one, and I felt like the European was more likely correct. Latest GFS just came in. What do you know? Cave Central. It has moved more to the northwest. It's stronger, and so it looks more like the European model that we've been talking about, which means we're likely looking at an impactful storm for Thanksgiving. Starting in the late morning from southwest to northeast, the coast is probably going to be all rain. The water temperature is 50, the wind's off the water. But the inland, just inland, is where we're going to be trying to dissect how much cold air is there. Is there enough for snow initially? The mountains and foothills certainly will have snow through the afternoon into the evening. This goes most of the night Thursday into early Friday. I'm not going to give you any numbers here because I don't think it makes sense to, but you can see roughly what that contour looks like, with the best chance of real accumulating snow being west and into the mountains and foothills, much lower chance along the coastline. So step one has been completed here, guys, which is the models now all agree there is a storm. That's a good start. And I think we will be looking at snow at least over half the state. We'll probably try to get some numbers. I hate to put Todd on the spot here, but tomorrow morning if we can, as to who's going to see accumulating snow. But if you're going west for Thanksgiving, that's going to be a problem.
Going into it, yeah.
As it stands, if you go down 95 through Boston and Connecticut, it looks like it wouldn't be as big a problem, mostly rain. So
Okay.
That's what we have right now.
Yeah.